Hello YouTubers, today we're talking about food oases here in the middle of the highway. You have vending machines that gives you meals ready to eat. Here we have a cup noodle vending machine that not only gives you the noodles, but it will also add the water. Here we have a ramen and udon vending machine that goes for a pretty cheap price of 350 yen. And when you press the button, it will release the hot juice mixture in with the noodles, and they'll come out of this exit. Here we have your standard vending machine where you can pick cold foods that you can heat yourself. You have your cigarette vending machine for those. Oh, this is same. Cold food. You have your cigarette vending machine, so you have to have your smokes, but this also requires a special card to prove that you're old enough to smoke. And then of course you have your drink vending machine that you'll find all over Japan. And if you notice, there's cold drinks and there's also hot drinks. So depending on what you like or want, they have it. Here's stuff for your cigarettes. This one doesn't require a card, but it's only your lighter and accessories. And then this is the stuff that you'll find in America every once in a while. We have your drinks, you got your chips, and you got some bread. And most of these other ones are drink vending machines, and as you can tell, the drink vending machines are way, way, way more popular. After you had your meal and your drink, you would probably want to finish with some ice cream, and this is an ice cream vending machine, so you can have your dessert as well. Alright, I'll see you guys later.